Hi friends, this is your millennial Vyogi back again. Did you know that globally more than 264 million people suffer from depression and that one person dies by suicide every 40 seconds? Fortunately, there are many things to relieve stress and avoid depression. Meditation is one of them, and today I'll talk about 4 scientific benefits of meditation that I have personally experienced over the past 1 year of meditation practice. But before that, I would like to thank all of you for your support and your help to take my channel across to many more people. But please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Now let's start with the basics. Imagine this. You're driving down the highway, it's early morning, with hardly any traffic on the road, just one car ahead of you. You have your favorite song on the radio and you're enjoying the drive. And suddenly, from nowhere, the car ahead of you brakes. And you veer away to avoid a crash and slam your brakes as well. At this moment, imagine your legs are shaking, your face is red, body is sweating profusely, you're breathing fast and your heart is pounding. Why do you think your body went from a relaxed state to such an excited state in a few seconds? Scientifically, this is our body's natural fight or flight response to stress from any imminent threat or danger. Whenever we are in a stressful situation, our hypothalamus, which is the command center of our brain, triggers release of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Fast breathing and the energy boost from the pounding heart are all a part of the adrenaline rush to enable our bodies to act against the imminent threat effectively. Cortisol also aids in this energy boost by releasing extra sugar for the muscles. But by doing so, it slows down other body systems like the digestive and the immunity system. And once the threat perception decreases, the body functions get to normal and everything is fine. Unfortunately, with our busy lifestyles and the pressure at work, stress is not a short-term event. It is a 24/7 phenomena, which means that cortisol is active for more than it is required, and our digestive system and the immunity system get compromised as an outcome of this, leading to severe complications like mental health problems, cardiovascular issues, obesity and eating disorders, and even skin and hair problems in certain cases. And that's the reason we need to nip stress in the bud at the get-go. Meditation is a great way of managing stress, and meditation is about consciously aligning with your mind to achieve a state of heightened awareness. But how to meditate is a subject for a full video, and I'll make a separate one on this. But today I will talk about the scientific benefits of meditation. Now first, meditation has a significant role to play in controlling stress. US Army Research Laboratory researchers, in collaboration with University of North Texas, in one of their research concluded that meditation enables a significant reduction in stress. The study also found that continued and consistent meditation practice takes the meditation-induced physiological changes to a permanent level, which provides a very strong shield against stress and against stress-induced complications. Meditation also rehabilitates our body to a relaxed mental state, which helps the body to recover from after effects of stress and also avoid any future damage as well. Second, meditation helps keep anxiety in control. Now, anxiety is that mental state where an individual is unable to reconcile with emotions, and especially the emotions pertaining to future uncertainties. The fear of what will happen in the future. So instead of living in the moment, we tend to get anxious about the future and ask silly questions like, can we continue the goods of today into the future? Or in even extreme cases, can we better the goods of today in the future? Academic research has demonstrated that regular meditation of any kind can actually rewire the cognitive capability of the brain and in turn strengthen the capacity to control emotions, which will avoid any kind of anxiety about uncertainties in the future. Third, meditation helps us become more self-aware. A research published by Harvard Medical School concluded that consistent meditation can positively affect the hippocampus in the brain. Now, hippocampus is responsible for learning and memory capacity of an individual. This makes an individual more self-aware and also improves problem-solving skills. Meditation helps us to focus our attention on physical sensations, varied sounds around us, and accentuates the smelling sensations also. It is about being conscious about where an individual is and what is happening in the surroundings. With meditation, we learn to see things happening with us as a third party. Sit with those happenings and let them pass by without impacting us negatively. Lastly, the fourth element, meditation also helps us sleep well and efficiently. A study published in the Journal of American Medicine Association in 2015 underscored that middle-aged people who underwent a 6-session mindfulness program focused on meditation experienced progressively less insomnia, exhaustion, and anxiety. Meditation helps in calming down the mind and neutralizes the fast thoughts in the mind that keep us from falling asleep. The two major learnings of meditation for individuals are that our thoughts or future anxieties do not exemplify us, and they are not real as well. And meditation pivots us back to living in the present. And with such an attitude, it helps us increase our control over anxiety and stress. So in conclusion, net meditation can help us manage our anxiety and stress, but we need to be consistent and practice meditation as part of our daily habit. Meditation can help us pivot back to our strengths when we get a curveball from the outside world, and it is an easy stress buster in the extreme stressful times that we live in. Thank you, friends. That is all from my side for today. Please let me know if you want to see videos on any specific topics. Signing off now, and we'll be back soon with more informational videos. Till then, please take care and stay safe.